Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Nexal Smartwatch or the Nexal Watch. This is the second video unboxing review for the premium smartwatch, the NXLWT1 model. And on this video, we are going to explore the menus and features offered on this wearable. So before we check on the UI and its menus, let me show you the website here of the Nexal smartwatch. For the shopping link or the product link, you can check out the description. As you can see, it is fully loaded with features here: long battery life, Bluetooth calling, 170 plus sports mode, GPS tracking, and we do have the specs here: AMOLED screen display, and we do have built-in GPS. Okay, so for the smartwatch, so here's the design. Beautiful looking design here. Plastic back cover, zinc alloy for the body frame, 3 physical button. We have a crown button here for the menus, return button, and we have a dedicated sports button. And of course, for the UI, on top we have the settings and options here. On the bottom part, we have notifications. We have a quick access here on the left side, and on the right side we have the widgets. And for the menus and features offered, we have it here. Okay, so we have daily activity tracking. So it monitors the steps, the distance here, calories, and active time. We have exercises or sports mode. As you can see here, we do have 170 plus sports mode. So very comprehensive list of sports functions with our premium Nexal watch here. And it is loaded with built-in GPS. Okay, just to make sure, again, we have a built-in GPS. We have exercise record. There's a support for the Bluetooth phone call with recent calls, contacts, and keypad. Okay, you can dial your calls directly on the smartwatch. We have a heart rate monitoring. Okay, with a lot of data here. We have 7 days. What else do we have? Average heart rate. We have graph and heart rate zones here. Going back, we have the sleep monitoring. We have the PI, blood oxygen monitoring. We also have the stress and mood. We have exercise breathing. We have the music control, album. Okay, so you can add photos here on the smartwatch. So there's the support for album here. Okay, we have camera control, notification feature, reminder. We have AI chat. Wow, we also have here, as you can see, AI translation and AI watch face. So it is loaded with several AI features here. Again, AI chat, AI translation, AI watch face. And we also have an AI app store. Okay, I'm going to check this. Can we? Yes, we have it here. We have additional apps here. Nice. Okay, so it is a fully loaded smartwatch here. Analysis, health analysis. We also have We also have here AI voice. Again, AI chat is different with the AI voice here. So we can say that this smartwatch, it is AI integrated wearable. Okay? One of the few smartwatches fully loaded with AI support. Aside from the premium design, so it is very advanced when it comes to features here. We have weather, SOS, games, so several games here. We have Pomodoro timer, alarm, calendar. We also have here world clock. Aside from GPS, we also have here the compass, barometer. Okay. We have women's health, flashlight. We also have here a calculator, a timer. Okay, so we have a lot of features here. Stopwatch, find phone, and settings. So for the settings, we have face and time watch. I guess this is for the watch face here. We have workout settings. Do we have an automatic detect? Yes, we do have. So it detects walking, running, cycling, elliptical machine, and rowing machine. Okay, similar to other wearables. We have display settings. We have brightness here. Screen time for timeout, raise to wake, off screen display. So we do have an always on display support here. Very good so far. Menu style and cover to turn off. User preferences, we have battery and the system here. About, QR code, this is the QR code for the app. About, Nexal Watch. Going back. Okay. Again, here are the menus for the wearable. Let's dive into the sports functions first. Again, 170 plus sports functions, plus it has built-in GPS. As you can see here, we do have a pole swimming. So we do have a lot of categories here. Different categories. Beautiful looking smartwatch. Fully loaded with features and with a premium design, premium display. I'm interested with these AI features here. We'll have a separate video review for this, especially with the AI App Store, private chef, planner, copywriting, astrologer, BMI calculator, and other features here. Okay, so that's it for our unboxing review of the Nexal Watch, a premium smartwatch NXLWT1 model. If you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.